At last, it is done. But this is not completed yet because next week I'm gonna bring in some surprise. So I'll see you in the upcoming video. Bye bye. Hello everyone, this is Koge and welcome back to my weekend gardening project at home. For today, we are going to continue setting up our treated pine raised garden bed. For those of you who have just started following our channel, you may be interested to watch part 1 and part 2 of our raised garden beds. This is a piece of geotextile fabric which I'm going to use it as the underlay for the garden bed. The main purpose for the geotextile is to prevent any soil loss while allowing excessive water to flow through. Now let us fill up the garden bed with soil. This is 6-in-1 organic potting mix Plant Lover by Baba. Next, I have this premium 10-in-1 organic planting soil, Max Grow. Another one, organic veggie mix by Baba. Another premium brand, Yasa Veggie Soil by Baba as well. I'm gonna level up the soil using my bare hands. Yes, my garden bed is almost ready. But looks like it is going to rain soon, so I'm going to wait for the rainfall to moisture and level up the gardening soil. For those of you who are interested to do some gardening or grow vegetables at home, I believe that these garden beds are your best options. Thank you for watching my video, and if you are interested to know more about our garden bed selection, please look at the description box as below. And I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye.